Hello there, lovely people. Welcome back to Let's Make Room for Positivity. I am Liz. Okay. So today I will explain to you the manifestation in a spiritual way. And this is my favorite way. Bakit? Spirituality kasi, siya yung naging way para matuklasan ko yung mga bagay na to na binabahagi ko sa inyo. Well, in this spiritual journey, I learned about manifestations, affirmations, the universal law, and the importance of science in our lives. And let me clarify that this is not about religion. I know that whenever we hear the word spirituality, pumapasok agad sa isip natin religion. But this time it's different. You can be in any religion and practice these things. I also learned that Jesus Christ, Buddha, and others taught us the same thing. Iba-iba lang yung religion pero yung teachings, iisa. Na magkaroon tayo ng matibay na pananampalataya, yung faith. Na lahat posible basta naniniwala ka. So, share ko sa inyo ng konti yung spiritual journey ko. Medyo mahaba kasi ito. I'll do my best to make it short. Or I'll make another video for that. Pero I'll share pa rin. I'll make it short nga. Okay, so bata pa lang ako, nararamdaman ko na that there's something different about me na I cannot explain. Gustong gusto ko maging mabait, maging mabuti. Then gustong gusto ko malapit ako kay God. Lagi kong chine-check yung ginagawa ko from time to time kung naaayon ba to kay God. Until something happened to me when I was a teenager that proved na may kakaiba nga sa akin. Na open pala or activated pala yung third eye ko. Na may mga nag-guide pala sa akin na spirits. And they want me to do something. Meron daw akong calling to spread the word. And I was meant to do mediumship and to be a healer. However, I was only 15 and I don't think that I'm ready for those things. So they did some rituals that block those abilities. Pumasok ako sa isang small church where I stayed for 10 days just praying the whole day. Doon ginawa yung ritual. And to be honest right now, naiisip ko, I am not sure if those gifts na hindi ko tinanggap during that time ay na-block ba talaga or hinayaan lang talaga nila ako ma-experience yung mundo para mapagdaanan ko yung mga challenges na bubuo sa pagkatao ko at magpapalakas sa akin. So, mahabang panahon din yung binigay nila sa akin. Pero, isa lang yung napatunayan ko. Never silang umalis sa tabi ko. I am divinely guided and protected through the years. Kahit hindi ako perfect. I made mistakes as a human a lot of times. Naramdaman ko pa rin na I was being guided. Kasi yung mga decisions ko, yung to have a positive mind, to be kind most of the time, tapos laging pairalan yung puso, yung pagmamahal in any situation. Then 2019, I created Let's Make Room for Positivity. Now, originally, ay isang Facebook page. And for some reason, there was a force telling me to create a platform where I can spread positivity, inspire people to be strong and to be kind. And I did it. I promoted it sa personal account ko, yung FB ko. Kaya nagkaroon naman ako ng 50 followers. Then later on may nag-follow na di ko mga kilala. So all in all, from 2019 hanggang sa present, 2024, meron akong 104 followers. What's funny, no one's actively liking, sharing, commenting sa mga posts ko. So sabi ko, bakit parang di nila bet? Or nakikita ba nila yung mga posts ko? Or di lang talaga sila nakakarinig? Pero later on, I accepted it. Sabi ko, it's fine. At least I have a platform where I can share my thoughts. That, kasi that time pala nakaka-receive na ako ng downloads from spirits and angels. Then, I just learned recently the word positivity. Sa title ng page, unlock that door to a different path. It's a deeper level of spirituality. It's knowing God, our creator, on a higher level. This is also knowing about your roots, your purpose on earth. And I was able to find like-minded people who became my mentors in this spiritual path. Bigla naunawaan ko yung mga pinagdadaanan ko dahil pinagdaanan din nila. And yun na nga, sabi nila, if you take this path, like-minded people will appear to guide you. At yun na nga yun na. So, this spirituality is also about your connection to people around you, your connection with nature, Mother Earth, the sun, the moon, the stars, the entire universe, the planet, and even sa interdimensional beings, or what we call extraterrestrials. We are all connected. And most of all, your relationship with yourself at the present moment and connecting to your higher self, or tinatawag din nilang future self. Yes, we can connect to our higher self. And ito pa, how we connect to our guardian angels, spirit guides, and even archangels. Meron pala akong spiritual team. So, it's really magical. At kahit ikaw na nanonood ngayon, you have your own spiritual team. They are guardian angels and spirit guides. Baka iniintay lang nila na ma-recognize mo sila. Baka they're already showing you signs, synchronicities, messages na hindi mo lang napapansin. Okay, so let me clarify that I'm not better than anyone else. We all have different journeys, and this is mine. I am meant to experience soul awakening in this lifetime, and we should understand that not everyone is meant to be awakened in this lifetime. I experienced rebirth, and now I am sharing with you, lovely people, all these things to express my gratitude to our God, the Divine. Okay, so now let's go back to our topic, manifesting in a spiritual way. So I'll explain this based on what I learned and experienced. I just learned all about manifestation, affirmation, and universal laws while I'm taking this spiritual path. Na ang buhay pala binubuo ng spirituality, energy, frequency, and vibration. So, yung meditation pala is necessary. Dapat natin siyang gawin every day. Kahit 5 or 10 minutes each day, especially in the morning paggising, tapos bago tayo matulog sa gabi. Ano ba yung nakukuha natin sa meditation? When we meditate, we quiet our mind. When we quiet our minds, it gives us clarity and peace. And that way, we put our energy at the center, which is important because we are energy. Parang yun yung sustansya ng energy natin. So, nagiging malinaw yung pag-iisip natin. And bilang connection sa universal law, nakakatulong sa atin ang meditation sa manifestation. Dahil kapag may clarity or at peace yung mind natin, nasa center ang energy natin, maayos tayong makakapag-manifest. Sa mga taong may kakaibang gifts or kakayahan, like psychic abilities, yung mga activated third eyes, activated chakras, during meditation, nakaka-receive sila ng downloads or messages galing sa spirits, angels, and even ancestors, or sa mismong divine source at our creator. Tapos, Kumbaga yung spiritual gifts nag-upgrade, mas nagiging powerful yung energy. Yan. So, importante din yung breathwork. Nabanggit ko na siya sa nakaraang video. It makes our system calm. Yan. Ginagawa yan during meditation, yung breathwork. And in spirituality, we manifest through our faith. It's by believing and being positive that everything is possible because of your faith. Na lahat posible because that's how powerful our faith is. A best example is Jesus Christ. Lahat ng imposible, ginawa niya na posible noong nandito pa siya sa lupa at nakakasalamuhan niya yung mga tao. Maraming himala ang kanyang ipinakita sa pamamagitan ng pagkakaroon ng pananampalataya. So, kung tutuusin, parang sa pag-explain ng manifestation, ito yung simplest way. Parang maging positibo ka sa buhay, magkaroon ka ng matibay na paniniwala at pananampalataya, magkaroon ng mabuting puso o hangarin, everything will follow. You don't even have to make plans. Like for example, God, kailangan this year may sarili na akong bahay. Dapat next month meron na akong sariling car. Hindi natin kailangan isa-isahin yan kay God. Dahil kung may plano tayo sa buhay, mas maganda at mas makakabuti sa atin ang plans ni God. Kumbaga, hindi niya ibibigay kung di para sa atin. Pero, madalas, mas okay, mas the best pa yung gusto niya for us. And, ayun, surrender to God, yung mga, kung ano man yung mga bigat na dinadala natin, yung buhay natin mismo, surrender lang tayo kay God and let God drive the car for us. Kumbaga, ito yung tandaan niya, let go and let God. If we surrender kasi, there's no fear at all. Diba? Nawawala yung fear pag sinurrender na lahat natin to God. There's only peace. And that will make our manifestations easily and quickly. I hope nagustuhan mo ang video na to. At kung nagustuhan mo, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get an update once we have a new video. Then, paki-like na rin para makarating to sa mga nangangailangan din na marinig tong mga bagay na to. So part 3, I'll explain manifestation in the neuroscience way. This time, ma-amaze naman kayo. So once again, I am Liz. I am sending you love and light. Bye for now.